Hi guys, welcome to my channel Payal's Recipe. Today I'm going to show you a Shahi dish that's called Shahi Mushroom and Makhane. Makhane is nothing but fox nut dish. So let's get started. The ingredients for this recipe are I need some oil, a teaspoon of ginger, a teaspoon of garlic, some cardamom powder. I need a teaspoon of salt, 1.5 to 2 teaspoons of Kitchen King masala or any garam masala you can take, or any korma masala, whatever you like. And I have some kasuri methi or the fenugreek leaves that are dried, some whole spices. I have a paste of boiled and mashed onions, and these are the soaked cashew nuts. I have soaked them for about 4 to 5 hours in water. I have some heavy cream, some juliennes of ginger and some chilies. These two are for garnishing. And these are the mushrooms that I've boiled for about 4 to 5 minutes so we can cook faster. And these are the fox nuts or makhane. And as you can see, most of my ingredients are white because this gravy is going to be a white gravy. First I need to grind these cashew nuts that I have soaked in water. So I just put it in this blender and just make a fine paste of this. So this is the paste that we get out of grinding the cashew nuts. So I heat the pan and add some oil. Let the oil heat, and I'm going to add these whole spices and also the boiled and pureed onion paste. The reason I'm using these onion paste is because I don't want to saute the onions and make it brown. This is a white dish, so I want everything to be white. So after adding the onion paste, I just mix it and let it saute for a few minutes. It will not take a long time to cook this onion paste because it's already boiled and the raw flavor has already gone. So let it just saute. I'll also add the ginger and the garlic. So let's just give it about 5 minutes. Our onions have been sauteing on low flame for about 5 minutes. And you can see the oil separating out. At this point, I'm going to add this cashew nut paste that I made with water and cashew nuts. I also add the cardamom or elaichi powder, the Kitchen King masala, salt, kasuri methi, and the mushrooms. So let the mushrooms that are boiled already simmer in this gravy for a few minutes. And I'm just going to cover this and keep it again on low flame for about 5 to 10 minutes. So our gravy has been simmering for about 5 minutes. And I can get the fragrance of the elaichi powder, the fenugreek leaves, that is kasuri methi, and the whole spices. Now I add the fox nuts or the makhane along with the cream. This is heavy cream. And I'm just going to cover this and again leave it for another 5 to 7 minutes. Isn't this easy to make? It's really quick and easy if you boil the onions and boil the mushrooms as well. So it's quicker. So let me just cover this and keep it for about 5 minutes. So our gravy has been simmering for about 5 to 7 minutes, and I also added a teaspoon of ghee in this because this is a Shahi dish, so you can always add some ghee to add that additional flavor. And this is a super rich gravy, but as you know, the name of the dish is shahi mushroom and makhane. So you can also add paneer or chicken if you eat chicken, and the dish is ready. You can see our dish. I have garnished it with some chilies, some green and orange red chilies, and some juliennes of ginger, and I've put this edible silver or silver varak, and I'm going to put one more. This is just to make it more shahi. This is how it's gonna look. Okay. And a dish looks complete and beautiful at the same time. It's really delicious. Do try this out. I have tried this and made this recipe in the past as well. A rich and super delicious shahi mushroom and makhane dish is now ready. Do try it out at home and give me your comments. And also subscribe to my channel Payal's Recipe. Till next time, bye bye.